Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys along as I try to salvage what is left of my week. It is currently Wednesday, October 28th, 9:42 p.m. and I don't feel like I've been getting much of anything done lately. I have been more anxious than usual. I have been feeling a little depressed, which also stems from my hormones, but also this weather does not help with my feelings on that either. So when I get into those moods, I give myself time to feel, but then it's about what's next, what's the next step in getting back into the swing of things. So I've just been on autopilot. Just doing things for the sake of doing it. Not much has been bringing me joy, but I've also been fighting what it is that I want to do, whether that's out of fear of how it's going to turn out or pure laziness and me rather staying in bed, which is where I've been for the past couple of weeks. So autopilot, I've been creating content that I love, but I want to do more. I want to share more with you guys. And I feel like the whole point of crushing the chaos is me, one, being transparent and open and honest on this planning journey, and two, sharing how I'm dealing with it in hopes that you guys will be able to thrive from the information as well. So I have not used my planner in about a week, and even before then I didn't use it that much. I have not been reaching for my planner, and that is something that I need to change. I need to make it a part of my routine. I also don't feel like planning should feel like a chore. If it does, you need to figure out whether it's the planner or if it's you. I feel like I have these chats all the time about planning, but my planner, when I actually use it, is really beneficial for me. So again, here we are on a Wednesday night, me trying to salvage the rest of my week. It's not over. It is not over. So I'm going to go ahead and just break out a new page and get to planning. Now, I have mentioned before that I prefer to save my stickers for my memory planner, but y'all, today we're gonna make this page cute. We're gonna decorate. It's gonna be cute. And if you guys want more information on my planner, I recently posted a full planner setup featuring this Michaels functional binder. It is currently on sale. As you guys are seeing it, it may still be on sale. I'll have the information linked below. I also do have this cover in black, and I do have a full series on this that I'll have all that information linked in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into what it is that I need to get done this week. I am going to be sharing with you guys how I'm keeping up with my finances, how I've been keeping up with my finances this year. That has been helpful. Again, when I don't write things down, I tend to forget. So that's that. I'm going to be using stickers from the Jewel Box. Their latest, her latest collab, I should say, with Wildly Noted. So I'm going to use that, and the Jewel Box unboxing will be up early next week for you guys to see. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that down there. And then I'm going to go and up here put Let's Crush the Chaos, because that's how my life feels. Very chaotic. And this is where my sticky notes come in. I'm still sticking with my sticky notes. The sticky notes I use are from cloth and paper. I'm not worrying about anything that has already happened earlier in the week. What's done is done. I am solely focusing on what it is that I want to achieve tonight into the rest of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and just put Wednesday here, 10, 28, I want to film and edit. I also want to cut my inventory, which would be stickers and die cuts that I give with my my orders. If you guys have ever purchased from my Etsy D-stash or anything on my Etsy, I always give us some stickers and a die cut, and I just need to restock on that. It's basically a restock. And then what else is it that I want to do tonight? I also want to journal, and then I'll probably get some planning in. This is very therapeutic for me, what I'm doing right now. It's getting me back into the swing of things. And then, oh, and I think I'm going to do thank yous as well. I'm going to add that to the list. And then, yeah, that's it for that. And then tomorrow, Thursday, I'm going to keep it light, 10:29. I need to go to the post office. Oh, and I'm also going to do some photos / reels for social media. All right, trying to stay active over there. I need to go to the post office. What else do I need to do tomorrow? I need to probably maybe edit some more. And this is where planning the night before always stumps me, because sometimes I just don't know what to write or what it is that I want to do, because sometimes, usually, it's not sometimes, I fly by the seat of my pants and whatever happens, happens. All right, but post office, and then I also have to work tomorrow. And then I need to do, I need to take out my trash, that's for sure. And then I need to start my laundry. Even the little things I need to write down. And then I'll probably I'll probably do some filming notes for upcoming videos. And then photos. And I'm just gonna put a little star over here for maybe that'll get done. All right, and then Friday, I will worry about Friday when it gets here, but I am going to go ahead and make a little note for it. So continuing on, I have my 3 days here. Saturday and Sunday, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but I am going to go ahead and add on 2 more lists for here. I'm just going to work my way through the week, and then on the back, that is where I will get more in depth when the weekend comes up to see what it is that I am going to do. But first up, let me just go ahead and track my packages. And then, so I have my heat press coming in, and then I also have some ink coming in for my new printer. And then, is there anything else? Oh, and then there's a planner sale this weekend. I think it's called like the Mayhem something spooktacular. Mayhem Halloween Spooktacular. There we go. And I'm just checking for planner kits because that is what I use in my memory planner. And there's some specific holiday themed ones that I want. So there's that. And then the last thing I am going to mark is the self-care that I want to do. So one is my hair, which I'm either going to do braids or dye my hair. Haven't quite decided yet. And then the other thing I want to get done is my nails. And then I also need to deposit. Oh, actually, I need to do that. Well, it's not really self-care what that is, but I need to add it to like my list. That's why I like having these lists and then having like a random to-do list of things that I need to get done in general. So I think I'm going to scratch this one and then just do a to-do. And I'm going to put hair, nails, maybe this week, deposit my birthday check, and then that's about it. Everything else is whatever happens, happens. So is that wasting a sticky note, what I just did because I changed my mind? Sure, but my planner, my sticky notes, my business. All right, so that is it for me planning and catching up and trying to get my life together at the end of the week, which happens to be the end of the month. So on the back again, I can easily just go ahead and map out the weekend, but I'm not, because for certain days, if there's things that I want to go and detail more, I can just go ahead and flip it over and do that on the back. But this is pretty good as a base for me to reference. And then, like, I already have a separate film and edit list. I use these from, it's actually from the Reset Girl. It's a list pad that I have. I use that. And then this is probably not going to get done tonight. My journaling and planning, I did do that. Filming and editing, I did do that. And then photos, yeah, I did that. And then I have more photos down here. And then I might end up just saving the inventory restock for the weekend when I'm in my office cleaning. So if I don't get it done on my list, when I look back at making my list for next week, I'll be able to see what's the priority about what I actually want to get done for the day versus what can get done more so on the weekend, or what's not so much of a priority, if that makes sense. Because sometimes I just throw things on a list and I don't need to get it done that day, and that's what throws me off. But these are things that, for instance, like here, I'm going to put like a little asterisk here. Like the laundry may not get done tomorrow. This actually did get done, and I wasn't planning on it. Well, I mapped out my videos for the upcoming month. Of course work is going to get done. And then the take out trash and recycle, this may not get done until Friday, if I'm being completely honest. But I at least want to take my laundry down to my laundry room. This is me sitting here, process of elimination of what it is that I can and cannot do. But yeah, the struggle is real. And this is where I look at this and I'm like, oh my God, all the things that I need to do. So even a dashboard overview like this can be overwhelming when you're just trying to get little things done. Like my office is a mess. I did clean my bedroom. So that's a start. And my laundry needs to get done. I just have like a lot of cleaning that I need to do, and I just need to slowly but surely get started with it, and laundry is first. So that's it for me trying to pick up the pieces and salvage the rest of my week. And I hope that you guys found that helpful. This is me literally planning in real time because I haven't used my planner. I planned out the week of the 19th. But as far as like checking it throughout the week, I didn't. Again, me flying by the seat of my pants. So I hope you found this helpful, as it's been helpful for me to really reevaluate how I plan. And I would love to hear from you guys in the description box. What are your tips on planning late in the week? Do you plan late in the week? Are you one that plans all at once at the beginning of the week? Do you plan as you go? Would love to chat with you in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, shops I featured in my spread, and so much more. Of course, the links to the blog and Instagram as well. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.